Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Nang ban pensuk ban ai jing sakri ka ba khambhai ki pajba haka khanyo trek ujamang arjar phulai ka Shillong HYUNDAI kala pili pajba ya ka SHOPEE ka badai ka JAKA ban ai servicing na ka banta baro ki chakali ki balami na ka ni ka company la pili ya ka SHOPEE haringkat ka jia dalang jong kit khot ka zonal team u visual care u zonal business head u Gopesh Gupta u zonal parts and service head Ladandru naka regional team u Badrinath CU regional sales head u Angshumali Sarkar regional parts and service head Kibawan Banikman naka Hyundai Motors India Limited bat kani ka JAKA servicing ka don ha fire brigade lain kha Shillong.
Welcome to Shillong HYUNDAI SHOPEE, your ultimate destination for exceptional car care. We are thrilled to introduce you a revolutionary concept in car care, brought to you by Shillong HYUNDAI, East India and the third in the country. At HYUNDAI, we are committed a range of services tailored to meet all your automotive needs. From meticulous car detailing that brings out the true beauty of your vehicle while your vehicle undergoes expert care. Immerse yourself in a world of interactive displays to explore our carefully curated selection of genuine Hyundai merchandise, allowing you to show the zonal team, Sir Vishal Kher, Zonal Business Head, Sir Gopesh Gupta, Zonal Parts and Service Head, and strengthens our commitment to providing you all with the best car care services in the region. So, come and experience a new era to your every automotive need and elevate your ownership experience to new heights. Trust us, one and all, to Shillong HYUNDAI.
Quite impressed. This is my first visit to this place, but I think the most important thing what this concept has actually taken over is from here, since this is the third in the entire country, but I think the concept itself is like for the customer the convenience. The most important thing is the convenience and quick service. So the customer walking in, you have all the other accessories at display. He has his own time, he has his own place to shop around. But a very good concept, and thank you very much. Proud to be associated with him. Thank you again.
Thus, I want to congratulate to the Shillong team, in fact, for entering into this venture. This is one of the kind of the new concept which actually Shillong Hyundai adopted the same. And this is one of the new initiative which has been started by Shillong Hyundai. And again, as Adam told, this is for the convenience of the customers. We want our customers to come over here, relax in the lounge, and can have the cars get decorated like we go into the spa and get ourselves prepared. Like that, you can get your cars prepared over here by relaxing in the lounge. And you can get the accessories also installed in your vehicle by having relaxing in the customer lounge. So all the best to all Shillong team, and really impressive. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
To the entire Shillong team. So already bosses have already expressed their views on this. So I am quite proud to be a part of this journey from the very beginning, because I think it was just after COVID. That time, we gave this proposal to them, and then they adopted, and then they exceeded our expectation also, I must say. So thanks a lot, Mr. Katie and the team. And then this is really a nice setup which has come up in the heart of the city. And I wish you all the best and wish you all the prosperity in this business with this new concept of HYUNDAI.
In relation to car team, Shillong team, Katie sir, thank you so much for giving a best facility in out of the city. Thank you once again. All the best to the entire team. Thank you.
Graciously being here for this occasion, which we really was waiting for a very long time. But knowing how busy you all are with your schedule. So however, thank you. Thank you for the press people to be here, who will carry our message forward. Whatever we could have done with the company's support, we've brought facilities for the customers of Shillong. And it is through you all this message can go ahead to the customers and to the public of Shillong. Thank you for being here, taking out your precious time for our occasion. Thank you, all colleagues, friends, members of Shillong Hyundai, the Shillong Hyundai family, the Shillong Hyundai SHOPEE family, thank you for being here, and we look forward that whatever has been done will be taken up in a serious manner and customer is addressed. We hope that our satisfaction level with Hyundai increases with this additional facility here. I haven't come prepared much, but well, okay, Hyundai would translate to Hyundai in Korea would translate as modernity in English. So Hyundai basically started off as a construction company. Thereafter it grew in all fields with that vision of modernity. And one of the first, the logos was new possibilities, new thinking, which has now been transferred and changed and growing every year, in all fields. If we got the opportunity to visit Korea once, and you see Hyundai is everywhere. They're in the banking sector, they're in the customer sector, they're all fields. It's not only vehicles, they're in the power sector, they're in the iron and steel industry. So it's a huge company which we feel as Shillong Hyundai to be very lucky to be associated with. We are very lucky that we are associated for the last 12 years with Hyundai Motors in Yellowstone. And since then, we've been growing, we've been enjoying our association, and our brand in the Shillong market today has really increased as compared to what it was 12 years ago. Well, I don't know, what else do I say? Well, this when Hyundai first came up with this talk that we should go in for Hyundai SHOPEE, I was saying, what the hell? We have to sell just accessories? I mean, it's just going to be a counter, a small shop? No, but now looking at it, it's totally a different concept. It's something which is, it's a great thing, and yeah, I never imagined it would be something like this. So thank you for getting this concept, getting this idea, and helping us implement it. What else? Am I missing out anyone? Anything? Thank you to my lovely wife who's always been there, supporting me always.